You can actually put the chair up and down. You can open this other door. Can you open it? Ah! New house, baby. Let's go. Ayan muna natin yung lockbox. Hello? Anybody home? Oh, linis. Wow. Look at the fridge. All clean. Gosh. Buy and sell lang to. Pass flip. This is what you call pass flip. Maybe palitan lang yung mga light switch. Mukhang luma na yung light switch eh. Guys, merong walk-in closet to sa master bedroom. I think this was used to be a 3-bedroom pero sinarado nila doon. Here's the washroom. Medyo outdated lang yung washroom natin. But still looking good. Looks fresh. Ito yung other bedroom right here on the main floor. Looks fresh. You like this house? Thumbs up. Brand new windows. Brand new appliances. Go to the basement. Going to the basement. Oh yeah, ito yung iniwan nilang cars for us. Look at the washroom here. Dude. Boom. Boom.
Wow! Jellyfish! Wow!
Mm.
Wow!
What is this?
Stingray!
Stingray. And look, what is this? This one.
That's an orthodolphin.
Orca. What is this one?
The
This one.
shark?
The shark. And what about here, behind the door? Wow, what's that?
I know.
You don't know? A mermaid.
The mermaid.
Yeah. Utility room. Meron din palang sump pump. Let's go to the furnace room. This is the furnace room. Oh yeah. All these things can be taken home. Everything is clean. And this is the other room in here in the basement. As you see, nice and clean. Look at these cars, bro. Collectibles. Ang ano lang dito, wala siyang forced air. I don't think there's forced air because they have baseboard heat. But other than that, house looks pristine. Looks good. Look at that, eh. Ito yung mga lumang sasakyan. Meron pa rin nagdadrive nito dito, eh. You can actually put the chair up and down. You can open this other door. Can you open it? Ah! Shoot! I broke it. Guys, look at their door too. It's all like properly sealed. Maganda tong door na to, eh. And then let's go to the backyard. Maganda din yung fence nila kasi hindi siya kita. Ito, maliit lang yung backyard. And then we have a double garage here. Ito yung double garage nila. Napakalinis. Oh, merong pang cut ng damo. Pagkain ng ibon, tay. May gas tank pa. Ito yung remote. Yeah, it works good. So clean. So fresh. There's a beach over here. Kung iniisip mo gusto mo magpunta ng Mexico or Hawaii, punta ka lang sa garage mo. Hello! How you doing? So guys, na-meet natin yung neighbor natin dito sa likod. I guess kilala niya daw yung old owner dito, yung pinagbilan natin. So yeah, ito yung garage niya. Maganda siya. Nice and small. Oh, meron palang storage dito. Ito pa, oh, may entry pad pa. Oh yeah, pwede itong kunin. Kaso, i-dismantle mo to. Ganda pa ng roof, exterior. Ganda pa. Got lucky on this one. I actually got this house before ako umalis ng Pilipinas last year. I got this house. Ito yung tinatawag nilang window awning. Ayan o. First time kong nakabili ng property merong window awning na it's actually still working properly. So, yeah, looks good. That's it. Let's go home. Good deal. Guys, we're on the way to our newest project. Kasama natin si Kuya Elijah in the back. Ito din si Mama. Sila tatay nasa likod natin. Punta tayo doon kasi may kukunin tayo. Yung scavenger hunter natin hindi makapagtiis. Gusto niya nang kunin yung nakita niya doon. So, let's go. Papakita ko ulit sa inyo. This one is going to be a fast flip. So, see you at the property. This is the house, my friend. Kuya Ellis, you wanna go see the house? Guys, first time makikita ni Kuya Ellis. You wanna go downstairs first or upstairs first?
Downstairs.
Come. I'm gonna show you something. Look.
Oh!
They're only display. We're gonna take it home.
Really?
Yeah. Yan na po siya. Oh yeah, look at the washroom, guys.
Oh, wow.
Look guys.
This mermaid.
Tiger it. Emil is it. Ayun na siya, galit na siya. Okay guys, tanggalin na natin tong storage.